We landed! Are we there now?
Yes, sweetie, but we must stay seated. The seatbelt sign is still on.
Oh, my legs want to stand up.
Same, boy, but rules first, safety first.
Okay, the seatbelt sign is off. Now we can stand up.
Yay!
Let's take our carry-on bags.
Carry-on means the small bag, right?
Yes, the bag you bring into the cabin.
Emma, do you have your teddy bear?
Yes, Teddy is here.
I have my backpack.
Great. Check your seat area too. Phone, buoyant, and snacks.
Hee, snacks are very important. Oh, what is that box above our seats?
That is the overhead bin. We put bags there.
Dad, I can help.
Okay, but be careful. Some bags are heavy.
Now we wait our turn. Don't push.
Okay, slow like a turtle.
Haha, fast like a turtle. Got it. Look, the sign says arrivals.
And baggage claim. What does that mean?
Baggage claim is where we get our big suitcases.
We just follow the signs.
Whoa, airports have so many signs.
Yes, signs help us.
Kids, stay close. Hold my hand, Emma.
Okay, Dad.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Follow the signs.
Follow the signs.
Follow the signs. What is next?
Passport control. They check our passports.
Will they ask questions?
Yes, simple questions. Don't worry.
Can we practice?
Great idea. Dad, you be the officer.
Hello, may I see your passport, please?
Hello, here is my passport.
Thank you. Why are you here?
We are here for a holiday.
How many days will you stay?
We will stay 5 days.
Perfect, Emma.
Jack, your turn. Hello, may I see your passport, please?
Hello, here is my passport.
Thank you. Where will you stay?
We will stay at the Star Hotel.
Great. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
One more helpful sentence. Repeat, could you speak slowly, please?
Could you speak slowly, please?
Could you speak slowly, please?
Yay, we did it!
Hehe, that was easy.
Good job. Now, baggage claim.
Keep your passport safe. Put it in your bag.
Okay, Teddy will guard it. Wow, so many suitcases.
Let's find our flight number on the screen.
Flight 210. Yes, Carousel 7.
Carousel? Like a ride?
Kind of. Here, it is a moving belt for bags.
Where is Carousel 7?
Let's look around.
Let's practice asking for help. Hello, can I help you?
Excuse me, where is Carousel 7?
It's over there on the left.
Thank you.
Nice, small girl.
Nothing is coming out yet.
We need to wait.
Waiting again. Airports love waiting.
While we wait, practice this. This suitcase is mine.
This suitcase is mine.
This suitcase is mine.
Oh, I see a red suitcase.
Is it ours?
Check the name tag.
It says Miller, not ours.
Good checking.
The blue one, that looks like ours.
Yes, great eyes.
And the black one is ours too.
Perfect. 2 suitcases.
Let's put them on the luggage cart.
Can I push?
You can help, but I will steer. These are heavy.
Whoa, Dad, go left. The cart is going wild.
This cart has big feelings today.
Are we finished now?
Almost. Now we go through customs.
What is customs?
Customs checks what you bring into the country.
Sometimes they ask, do you have anything to declare?
Declare?
Declare means tell.
We only have clothes and toys.
Right, so we go to nothing to declare.
Repeat, I have nothing to declare.
I have nothing to declare.
I have nothing to declare.
Done.
Great. Now we are in the arrivals hall.
Oh, I see signs. Taxi, bus, metro.
Metro is the train, right?
Yes, a city train.
They're tired. Let's take a taxi.
Ah, yes, please. My feet are tired.
My backpack is tired too.
Let's practice what to say to a taxi driver. Jack, you be the driver.
Hello, where to?
Could you take us to the Star Hotel, please?
Sure, please get in.
How much is it?
About $20.
Can you help with the luggage, please?
Yes, of course.
Great sentence, Emma.
Okay, family, stay together.
And keep your bags close.
We landed, we got our suitcases, we did everything.
Airport level complete.
Let's review today's travel words. Say it with us. Arrivals.
Arrivals.
Passport control.
Passport control.
Baggage claim.
Baggage claim.
Nothing to declare.
Nothing to declare.
Could you take us to the Star Hotel, please?
Could you take us to the Star Hotel, please?
please?
Yay! Star City, here we come.
Next stop, the hotel.
And food. Lots of food.
Thanks for traveling with us.